All right, what is up, guys? We had a new video today. We're gonna go do a property update. That's gonna be the main thesis. Is that what it is? Oh, no, I kind of like barely paid attention to school. That's gonna be the main part of the video. We're gonna give you guys a house update. It's almost like has the roof on and stuff. So they got a lot done. We're gonna go check that out today. We'll throw in a little riding because we gotta go ride first, do a little training, and then go check out the property. Got the airbag for my BMX ramp, and I'm gonna show you guys some new stuff that we built as well. So let's head out. Let's. All right, we're at the in the gym, getting a little warm up for the morning. Some slight. I'm sure we'll have not too long of a day since we're in race season. Now all the work's done. Now it's just kind of get through the weeks and maintain. It's nice. We got the A2 layout, so we got a replica track, and hopefully, I mean, the race compared to it would have been last week, yeah, San Diego, was my track. There was a lot of sections that were fairly close. A few of them's like I hit almost exactly the same. So yeah, we got A2. Should be pretty close. I mean, I've done a million laps on it, so should be good. I'm excited. Really, what I've worked on this week is just starts. And you can, I mean, you can say you're doing a million starts, but if you're not doing any good ones at the race, it's kind of useless. So hopefully we can do some good ones at the race. If not, we got to dig. So ready for both scenarios, but the goal is to get to start. Got to get a start, baby.
And not deal with anyone else.
Yeah. Get a start and just worry about myself and go. That's the goal. Not give anyone any hope.
Candy paint with the white on top. Lambo doors or the woo up drop. If you busy plotting on what I got, kick in your door and swat you thought. $100,000 on the tabletop. Have price small whip, same price small watch. Got no jumper, but I ball a lot. Bitch on your stony, I do what I want. Candy paint with the white on top. Lambo doors or the woo up drop. If you busy plotting on what I got, kick in your door and swat you thought. $100,000 on the tabletop. Have price small whip, same price small watch. Got no jumper, but I ball a lot. Bitch on your stony, I do what I want. Didn't know that was your girl when she gave me top. Kicked her out the road, said thanks a lot. Goddamn, I love paper like a Michael Scott. Yeah. I can do things that your man cannot. Yeah. Slab boy coming down, damn, I'm hot. Everybody say that I gotta be stopped. Even though my final form ain't none like. I'm so ahead of you, motherfuckers. How you comprehend what you ain't understanding? Count 100 bands and I watch your vanish. Diamonds going crazy like they on the dance floor. Got a lot of ass, nothing I can handle. Flavor that's whatever, you should try a sample. Baby, on the bars like I'm Tony dancing. Everybody tryna tell me what I stand for. But you don't fucking know me, homie, you don't want one.
I like when to do sprints, like when we break the track up in sections. He's really fast, but watching him like break down the sections he's really good at. It's something special. Watching the best in the world do what they do. It's a cool job. He wants to triple this thing. I told him absolutely not. What? I can't control him, but that wouldn't be very smart. It'd be huge. Update?
Yeah.
Update. It's cold, dude. week here at the farm. It's kind of cool. We had a replica San Diego last weekend, and that went well. We have a replica A2, and this is like a fun track. Haiden really likes this track. He's liked it since day one, so I think he likes baseball stadium style tracks a little bit better. Like they're bigger, and he can really hang it out, and he's fast. Like he's fast at Anaheim, he's fast at this track, and riding a replica track last weekend worked, so why wouldn't it work this weekend? And no, there's no drama at the shop this week. Just back to the grind. That turn would get nasty, that you guys would go double, table over two, and then 3-3-1.
You know what I was thinking? What if you did like a
lean it over and get kind of the
double and just push, like blew that out and went to the outside, turn this into a massive sweep.
And two wheels.
Alright, you got 2, table over 2, 4, 3.
4-2.
That'd be sick.
That'd be fun.
I don't know if I got the pop on this, too fatty.
Yeah, 3,
got it.
3, 3, 1. Inside front door.
Do it.
Over.
I'm good.
He took that so
I don't know if you
serious.
make that last 3 though.
That's a wrap. Now we gonna head to the property. It's 2 minutes from here, so let's go check it out. All right, we made it to the property. We're gonna give you, I mean, it's probably been what, like 2 months?
Yeah.
We'll start here we'll start here. I don't know if this was blocked out last time. It's blocked out, got lights, concrete. They're holding the windows in here for now. This is where my skate park's gonna be. All the plans are already written up for the skate park. It's gonna be sick. I can't wait. But we got the airbag. This side's a little crushed in a little. But DD airbags. These guys are dope. Massive airbag landing. So we're gonna come over here. This side we're gonna buy another, I'm gonna order another mini container. I'm gonna stack 2 mini containers right here, and I'm gonna build a roll-in for it. Like probably right here somewhere, and the airbag setup will be right here. And then I'll probably like turf after the airbag and stuff so that you're not always having to go through like dirt and mud on the bikes and stuff. Probably build a little ladder up right here, but I wanted to keep it where the skate park is so you don't have to like, my dad was like, why don't you just put it like down by the other garage? And I'm like, nah, I just want it where everything is. So like, you're at the skate park, you go hit the airbag, you just walk outside. But let's go check out the house. They didn't have any walls up here last time I was here, so now there's walls. There's an actual building. Like this is actually built out now. They just gotta put the roof on this, which I'm assuming that's what these are. I think this is the roof. This. But they've got hop up here. They got this all boarded up now. They got now it's kind of coming to life. That's the trophy room. Then upstairs, like as you see that hole cut out up there, that's the gym and recovery area. Since this house is the most finished, it's an exact replica on the other side. So might as well go to the one that's the most finished. Fall through the stairs. This is where some big glass windows will be. Then this will be a wall, so you're not gonna see anything out, but if you look, that'll be a massive window. A massive opening out there, right there. That'll be a big window. Then, I don't know, one of these is my closet. I don't know which one's the room and which one's the closet. Oh wait, why don't I just look? Oh, you can't really see in this video. I'm assuming they pit my bedroom where the windows are, right? Yeah. So this is probably the bedroom. It's not that big, but that's got some massive windows. Yeah, this is definitely probably the bed goes right there. Oh, I can get on the roof. Oh, bro. I'm gonna go up to the very top once it's finished. You're gonna be able to watch from up there. You could probably see the outdoor track from up there. You'll be able to see the track from my room too. You could build like some lounge chairs in here and watch. Oh, but you'll have the balcony, stupid. But yeah, this is my room, and either, dude, I don't know. One of these is the closet. My mom said I had two closets. I have a gaming room, and an actual closet. Does this look like a bathroom to you?
No.
Is there even a bathroom up here?
What is this?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know. My mom did all the plans. There's gotta be another room. One of them is the closet.
This is a big ass closet.
Yeah. I got a lot of bro. You gotta think my whole room is full of clothes and shoes. There's what we've got done so far. We got a roof on this place, which is nice. Alright, let's head down to the other barn that got built.
What's down here?
This would be the kitchen. And then I don't know what all the other rooms are.
Like, I'm guessing this is like a living area, right?
Yeah, I guess. Well, this is the kitchen. That's a fireplace. I don't think my bedroom's on the bottom.
The first day that we were here, you said it was.
I think this is my bedroom right here. If I can imagine it, bedroom right here. Feels about right. Is it really?
Yeah.
Is this really where my bedroom is?
I think this is it. The toilet?
Oh, it is? Oh, so my bedroom's on the bottom and all my shoes or all the closets and gaming rooms are upstairs. Nah. Really? I mean, this is where you would pit like a shower and stuff, right? Sink, toilet. This might be where I don't know, dude. No matter what, I can sleep wherever I want in this place, to be honest. But let's go down to the other building. At least we have a roof on one of the sides now. They've been moving pretty quick, so can't wait, but it's starting to look massive. Dude, that is sketchy. Is it big?
Yeah. You're only like 4 foot, so.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm 6 foot. Can you believe this? This is what booze from a crowd gets you at 10 days into being 20-year-old. Theoretically, I paid for this when I was 19, so theoretically, I got this when I was 19. Thank you guys, like wholeheartedly. You guys have made my life great. Check this out. I don't think this was up in the last video, but we have an all blacked out barn. This will be like a race shop. You can pan to the house, see how far away it is. Far, but that'll be the full race shop. Track's right here. We got the full SX track. And then we're gonna have an outdoor track that goes around this place, so I can't wait for that. But race shop, when you come here to ride, this is where we'll pit out of. We got water tanks back there. We got a well system, so free water. Actually, nothing's free. So I had to pay for this property and everything on it, so it's not free, but the water is theoretically free. Yeah, race shop, we got everything blacked out too. Blacked out the skate park shop as well. It'll probably be pretty hot in the summer, so I'm gonna have to order some, I think they're called big ass fans, like the big ones, so I'll order those. But yeah, I'm stoked on this place. Hopefully they can keep on ripping through this so we can have it done. I don't know, maybe by like, what is it, January, February, March, April, May. Probably what, like April, May maybe? I mean, they've already busted out. Once they put the roofing all on, I'm sure it's just a lot of work inside. I don't know, I'm not a construction builder. I'm not a blue collar rig, but yeah, it's coming along great. So there's your guys' update. on my compound now at 20 years old, because we've upgraded from 19 to 20, turned into an absolute man, absolute machine. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, and yeah, go comment what you guys want to see at the compound. So far we got track, race shop, and the house being built, soon to be the skate park. The guys should be coming to build that soon. So comment what you guys want to see at this place next, and make sure you guys subscribe. So I'll be doing more updates on this house build. See ya.